Which element has the chemical symbol W? Tungsten, silver, tin, mercury. The correct answer is tungsten. What was the capital of New Zealand before Wellington? Auckland, Christchurch, Dunedin, Rotorua. The correct answer is Auckland. Cameroon and Kenya are part of which continent? Asia, Africa, Europe, South America. The correct answer is Africa. Who was the first person to walk on the moon? Buzz Aldrin, Neil Armstrong, Yuri Gagarin, Michael Collins. The correct answer is Neil Armstrong. What is a male honeybee called? Worker, drone, king, soldier. The correct answer is drone. Which protein is responsible for giving blood its red color? Myosin, hemoglobin, collagen, albumin. The correct answer is hemoglobin. What is the largest species of sea turtle in the world? Green turtle, loggerhead turtle, leatherback turtle, hawksbill turtle. The correct answer is leatherback turtle. Where in the body can you find the uvula? Nose, throat, ear, eye. The correct answer is throat. Which famous boxer was known as the People's Champion? Mike Tyson, Floyd Mayweather, Muhammad Ali, Joe Frazier. The correct answer is Muhammad Ali. What condition occurs when the arteries supplying the heart become blocked or narrowed? Anemia, atherosclerosis, bronchitis, arthritis. The correct answer is atherosclerosis. Which organ in the human body is mainly responsible for purifying the blood? Liver, lungs, kidneys, heart. The correct answer is kidneys. Which part of the brain helps maintain balance and coordination? Cerebrum, cerebellum, brainstem, hypothalamus. The correct answer is cerebellum. Which of the following is not one of the three primary colors? Red, blue, yellow, green. The correct answer is green. Which scientific field focuses on studying ancient life through fossils? Anthropology, paleontology, biology, ecology. The correct answer is paleontology. In which country was the tech company Nokia originally established? Sweden, Germany, Finland, Norway. The correct answer is Finland.